the nutrition part of it, I don't understand. It's very bad.
Yo,
क्या खिलाना है क्या नहीं खिलाना है? You know, I think the women are better than the men as far as the food habits are concerned and how to keep changing the menu, and this has come out now and that has come out now. ये gluten free है वो है. I'm not so good with all those. I try my best.
Hello. What's up, guys? I'm your host and popcorn buddy, Chinmay Sharma, aka Scuba Chino, and this is Man's Life. Now, joining me today is a man who's completed 20 glorious years in the film industry. He's also a single father, and might I add, talent runs in that family. So, without further ado, let's bring on Tushar Kapoor ki आवाज में. What's up, buddy? How's it going?
Thank you so much for a very, very exciting introduction and a warm welcome.
Thank you so much for taking the time out to do this. And I'm sure even in lockdown, being a dad must be a full-time job. So let's dive right into it. How does it feel like to be a single dad in a country where, well, India hasn't really wrapped their head around the fact that somebody can be a single parent. So how does it feel like?
It feels like this was my true calling and this is what I should have always done, and I did it at the right time. I turned 40 and became a single father. So just feels like all's well that ends well, and I wouldn't have had it any other way because I feel so my day is fulfilled. I feel like, you know, I have two jobs and I'm more than happy to do them both.
Right.
So I don't have words to describe it. I can write a book on it. That would be a better option.
And my dad Lakshya is such a cutie. He's just like a bundle of joy. Did you ever face the issue of course, now look, you're a single dad, which means you have to nibhao the role of a mom and a dad. Did you ever feel that you were lacking, or did you ever take advice from someone because you felt a little lost at times?
No, I never. I think I was old enough to have put all that aside, you know. And maybe if I was younger, I would have probably been a little more anxious and probably a little more scared that, okay, my social life will now go down, etc. But at 40, I think I was pretty much ready for it. I did this when I was ready for it. You know, a family is complete when you make the members of the family feel like they're loved unconditionally, rather than, you know, how you portray yourself to the outside world. The reality is how connected you feel to your family members, and that can happen even in a different family structure. It doesn't necessarily have to be a typical family structure.
Right, absolutely, man. I completely agree with you. And has Baby Laksh seen any of your films so far? Have you shown him any of your films so far?
No, I don't think he seems too interested in Bollywood films right now. So typically, what kids his age, he's 4.5 now. He watches videos on YouTube that are child friendly, and he watches. I don't know, they have their own taste. Yeah, they have all these different characters. Like, they started liking Hulk now, and he likes Avengers now.
Nice.
And he likes Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, and he likes those really age-old cartoons that we used to eat. Like Tom and Jerry, he likes Chip and Dale. So I really can't pinpoint what his taste is like. I know that he just watches what he wants.
Yeah, back in the day, we just had Cartoon Network. Jo aa raha hai, wahi dekhna padega. Now I love the fact that he says, I want to watch this. First of all, congratulations on completing 20 years of you being in the industry. You also turned producer recently. How was that experience?
That was a complete boy-to-man experience. I think your producer will be able to tell you that the actors or the anchors come and they get made up and they sit comfortably and they have to rehearse their lines. And I have a lot of respect for producers now after having become a producer, because nothing goes your way when you're a producer. Everything goes haywire and you still have to have it all in control.
And also, I think you just made my producer's day, who's zoned in right now. He's on mute, but I can almost see the smile going from jaw to jaw. Now, honestly, this is not part of the interview. This is me as a fan talking to you for like just a minute. The day I saw Golmaal, and I remember discussing this with my family, saying that the brilliance of your performance is that you made it look and sound so easy. And trust me, everyone thinks, ye to easy hai, till they try doing it. How much preparation went? I know it's been a while since that movie released, but I still can't get over that performance. Is it something you rehearsed extensively for, or just came naturally?
No, I had to rehearse extensively, because initially when I was offered this character, I thought that I'd have to learn sign language, which is how, you know, you probably see a mute character in a film until that time.
Right.
But when I was introduced to this theatre actor who has played this character in a Marathi play, he said that, you know, let's not go the typical way. Let's do it like how we see mute people who have a voice.
Right.
So he used to make me watch all these Charlie Chaplin films for the body language, and he used to.
Nice.
I almost like did all the preparation that one does in the sense of voice modulation to become a singer, because he wanted me to have a pitch that is very high, because he said that Ajay has a very low pitch, then Arshad has a little higher pitch, Sharman has a bit higher pitch. I want you to have a very high pitch, so that you sound different from the others. So we went into that detail, and then 3 weeks, it was extensive, but 3 weeks
Right.
of lots of hours in a day, and I had never done so much homework for a film before that. I had worked hard on the job, but not like a proper workshop. This was new for me, so it was a bit stressful because we were kind of getting into unknown territory. But then we just let ourselves go, and we just did our best and said, "चलो देखा जाएगा क्या होगा."
और देखा गया, दुनिया भर ने देखा और दुनिया भर ने प्यार दिया उस रोल को. I wish you success and nothing less. But now, what is next for Tushar Kapoor work-wise? Can you give us a little bit of an insight to what's coming up?
Yeah, my next film, it's ready, and it's called Marich. It's very different from the kind of stuff that I've done before. It's a murder mystery. It's very grey. It's got lots of characters, lots of newcomers, and a typical whodunit in a city like Mumbai. And I hope people like it. I hope they see the hard work. I hope it works out for us.
I'm sure it will. And especially for someone like you who's been in the industry for 20 long years, has there been a massive evolution in Tushar Kapoor, the father, and has that changed the kind of person you are since you become a dad?
Yeah, definitely. Probably the fact that you get so much more focus in your life. You don't worry about the necessary things like अभी function में जाना है कि नहीं जाना है, क्या पहनना है, क्या नहीं पहनना है, या फिर you don't waste time over those things. You don't have so much time to yourself, so you become more organized.
Now we're going to go on to our last segment, which is a quick, sweet, rapid fire that we prepared just for you. So let's start off with the first film of yours that you want to show your baby.
Golmaal 1.
Oh, yeah, drop the mic and walk away. Fair enough. Your favorite film of your dad's?
I would say Karwa.
Oh, nice. Hypothetically, if you could choose Lakshya's profession when he grows up, what would you like him to be?
Astronaut, because he likes that.
Yeah, at that age, everybody wants to be an astronaut. Right? I hope it actually comes true. Right. One thing you absolutely hate about parenting.
The nutrition part of it, I don't understand. I'm very bad at that.
Yo.
क्या खिलाना है, क्या नहीं खिलाना है. I think the women are better than the men as far as the food habits are concerned, and how to keep changing the menu, and this has come out now and that has come out now. ये gluten free है, वो है. I'm not so good with all those. I try my best.
Amazing. And this is the last question of the evening. Apart from you, of course, if you had to rate a good parent according to you in the film industry, who would you think according to you is a good parent?
That's a hard one. I would say, ouch. Ajay Devgan. He's a good father.
I think you could have just taken the easy route and said my dad. It's just been easy, quick answer. This is a great dad.
I thought you went outside the family.
Yeah, of course. Right, and that was the end of the rapid fire round. Tushar, thank you so much for doing this. I hope you had as much fun as I did. I hope your next film blows up, and I hope to do this in person very soon.
Thank you so much.
And that was the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And for lots more on auto, sports, lifestyle, and entertainment, join us on manslife.in.